Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly use Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your account and verify your identity, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. Then, link a payment method like your bank account or a debit card to easily fund your crypto purchases. Familiarize yourself with Coinbase's robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, to protect your assets from unauthorized access. This foundational setup ensures a safe and smooth experience. Once your account is ready, buying and selling crypto on Coinbase is straightforward. Browse the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you wish to trade. You can place market orders for instant execution or limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price. Always keep an eye on your portfolio's performance to make informed decisions about your investments. Coinbase provides real-time data to help you track your assets effectively. Beyond buying and selling, Coinbase offers tools to manage your crypto assets efficiently. You can transfer cryptocurrencies between your Coinbase wallet and external wallets with ease, ensuring secure movement of funds. Consider exploring staking options for eligible assets, which can generate passive income over time. Remember to keep track of your transactions, as there are tax implications for buying, selling, and even staking cryptocurrencies. For more experienced users, Coinbase offers advanced trading features, including detailed charts and order types, giving you greater control over your trades. A smart strategy is to set up recurring buys, which helps you dollar-cost average your investments over time, reducing the impact of market volatility. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Staying informed and strategic is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.